side of each other. Easy way of separating. I did put the lock on.
Head to your drop-off at 5 Tharrington Highway.
Taco Bell first. Alright. And it only says 0.7 miles, so it's probably not too bad. Okay. Well, that's kind of what I wanted anyway, so that'll work.
In a quarter mile, turn left on Milikami Street. Turn left on Milikami Street, then drop off on the left. Tula F says, meet at door. Address is 87-115 Milikami Street. Will meet you outside. Drop off on the left.
How you doing, Taco Bell? All right. Happy New Year. Thank you, thank you.